Welcome to the Webdesign Launchpad. There are a lot of platforms for building a website. In this set of Quickbytes, I would be covering 5 such platforms which you can use to build your website. Each of these platforms has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. The first very popular platform to build your website and build it in a DIY, that is do-it-yourself way, is WordPress. As per recent research reports, more than 40% of all the websites of the world have been built on WordPress as of today. It is a very popular content management system. By content management system, what I mean is that the platform is based on a database. And yes, one of the strongest points for WordPress is that it is open source and is absolutely free. The core platform can be downloaded and used for free on your own hosting space. WordPress offers a very wide range of customizable themes and plugins, making it a very good choice both for beginners and advanced users together. It also supports modification of codes as it is an open source platform, so that you can build in more and more features besides those that are already available either for free or in a paid manner across various platforms. Another popular platform is Wix. Wix is again a DIY, that is do-it-yourself platform, but then it is a third-party hosted platform for that matter. Wix makes it very easy for you to build your website. It provides a large variety of templates and design options, and it contains an app market for additional features which can be purchased separately. One of the key bottlenecks that we've noticed with Wix is when you start to grow, Wix adds certain restrictions, and in the long run it can become really expensive for you to continue your website on a platform like Wix. Another third-party hosted platform is Squarespace. Squarespace is a website builder that also offers a variety of templates and design options. Squarespace is actually known for its sleek and modern designs, making it a very popular choice for photographers, artists, and designers. Like in the case of Wix being a third-party hosted platform, as your needs grow, Squarespace may become cost prohibitive in the long run for you. You may end up buying more and more modules, as well as based on the number of people visiting your website, you may end up paying a larger charge for continuing to use the Squarespace platform. Now, one of the premium requirements for a lot of people when they build their own websites is that they need some kind of a mechanism by which they can sell their products and services. This is where our next platform comes into play, that is Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that is designed for businesses that want to sell their products and services online. It offers a large range of features for managing inventory, processing payments, and fulfilling orders as well. Yes, people find it very simple and easy to build their websites on it, but as their requirement grows and as their businesses grow, they definitely have a reason to move out of Shopify and build their website on some other platform. There are two more platforms which I would like to talk about. One is called Joomla and the second one is called Drupal. Joomla, just like WordPress, it's a free and open source CMS that is very similar to WordPress. It is more advanced and customizable than some other options, but it does have a steeper learning curve. Quite often, to do small things, you need coding skills to make your website effective. On the other side, Drupal is another free and open source CMS that is also very popular, especially for large and complex websites. It does offer a very wide range of modules and customization options, but it can be difficult for beginners to build their websites on and to use it. Drupal also has a very large number of plugins or modules which can be added to its platform for enhancement of functionalities. The design elements for both these platforms are relatively less and limited as compared to WordPress. So friends, I hope you enjoyed these quick bites. Do join us for more in our next set of quick bites. In the meantime, I invite you to join my next program, the link for which has been given both in this video and in the text below this video as well. In this program, which is a free program, I will debunk a lot of other myths about building websites all by yourself without any technical help at all. I am also sharing the link to my Kickstarter bundle, which you can register for, and I assure you, in a span of 10 to 15 days, you will be able to build your first website in an effective and a protected manner all by yourself without any technical knowledge. This is what Webdesign Launchpad is all about. Build your website the non-tech way. So have a good day and enjoy yourselves.